Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 3.1 and I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So probably the easiest way to do it would be hold your finger on the screen and then you will get the option to tap on wallpaper. And from here you can choose from the preloaded ones, textures, have a bunch of other options. So you can choose whichever one you like from the categories that are provided, or you can also tap on the ones that are, say, in my photos. We'll need to allow access to that. And from there you can say choose ones that you downloaded or from the actual photos. Once you have satisfied with whatever you picked, you can choose to set it up either for home screen, lock screen, or both. So just gonna set it up for home screen. And now, as you can see, now the home screen has this wallpaper. So that is basically how you change it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.